Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to download WhatsApp status on an app. If you are the type that like videos or status and they have refused to send it to you, come closer, this video is for you. Step 1, you need to have an all video downloader. So if you don't have it, you have to go to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store to download it. So click on the all video downloader app, then click on WhatsApp. All the video you must have downloaded or viewed on WhatsApp status will be here. Then you click on videos. Then any video you wish to save, any video you wish to watch again, you download. You see, it has been saved to my internal storage. If you find this video helpful, click and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye.